Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the gold drop 0.4% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The euro rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The CCI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market, reaffirming the negative signal from our technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
U.S. stock futures and European stocks fell, and oil slid 3% as surging Omicron COVID-19 cases triggered tighter curves in Europe, and a $1.75 trillion U.S. domestic investment bill suffered a potentially fatal blow. Bitcoin extended its 5-week slide from an all-time high, with risk sentiment across global financial markets dwindling. The largest cryptocurrency by market value declined as much as 2.5%. Shares of India's Future Group companies surged 20% after the country's antitrust agency suspended Amazon.com's 2019 deal with the group.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's public sector net borrowing will be released at 0700 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy meeting minutes at 2350 GMT. The US current account at 1330 GMT. Australia's RBA meeting minutes will be released at 0130 GMT. The US Redbook Index at 1355 GMT. Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey at 0700 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.